Yeah. Good evening. Gab, baka naman ako Gab, Dragon Seed.
Ako man, iba man sa ako. Yay! Mabakal man ako.
Opo.
Pero ng Dragon
Ano
Seed.
sa ako sa Dragon Seed?
Sayang ko naman.
Dito ka ho, didi ka ho. Itada mo, didi ho, didi ka ho. Didi ka ho. Ipasok mo nga.
Maimpanada.
Sarado mo, Gab. Thank you for 1 million viewers. Go Power Ranger.
We can be partners in our expansion and control Southeast Asia. We will be unstoppable.
Son of Mega like
What is this way? Without my influence, see to it that you
for two people.
this part.
Evening.
You guarantee this. Hey,
Aray ko.
what do you think? You look like I have no choice. Let me in.
Savage.
Listado! Katotong atin, mga kaibigan. Ngayon po ay hinihintay natin dumating ang tatakbong mayor na siya, Tanggol Montenegro. Ito pong na si Tanggol Montenegro, ito ang kanyang nauna ang pagtakbo sa politika. Hindi makakalimutan na naganap na pagsabog sa kanyang meeting ni Avance kung saan
Thank you for watching.
Kung nakikita niyo po,
Hi.
may nagdadasaan na po ang mga tao dito sa Pio Sakay Elementary School. Pagkatapos po ng maiksing na kampanya ng mga Guerrero ng mga Montenegro, ito na ang mahalagang araw kung saan pipili na ang mga taga-Maynila ng kanilang magiging leader. Alam niyo po, ayon sa survey,
Yes,
Tanggol
legit
Montenegro
na
ay may 60% na lamangan.
Oh
Naman si
my God.
Miguelito Guerrero ay 40% lamang. Pero subalit ito po mga kaibigan, hindi yan mahalaga na ng mga taga-Maynila.
Thank you for the thumbs up, guys.
Tanggol! Iniwan mo na yan! Iwan mo yung demonyo yan! Tanggol, halika na! Pumunta tayo sa dito! Halika na! Halika na lang!
David Rodrigo, hola amiga, como estas? Hi David Rodrigo. Where are you from, David? How are you, Dad? I'm fine. Ralph Fosler. Hi, Ralph Fosler. Christopher Bristol. Hi. I'm me from Spain. Oh, wow. That's great. Where are you from, Madam? I'm from Philippines. Hello, May. Hi, Ralph. I'm from Philippines. Filipina.
Pagputong ka.
Area. Filipina. Dutch lang. West in English. Ralph. What means Ralph? I have heard Philippines is beautiful country with lots of mountains, sea beach, natural places there. Am I right, Madam? Yes, you're right. David Rodrigo, Ralph English. Soher Gary, I am from Nepal. Hi, Soher Gary. I have seen videos on YouTube about Boracay, Palawan, El Nido, Bohol like that. Yes, hope I want to go there. And Boracay, Palawan, and El Nido. Not yet visiting there, even I'm here in the Philippines. Because, travel is expensive. Which city do you live in Philippines, by the way? Bicol. Hi, Suher Gili. Hi, Suher. Suher.
I was born in May. Oh,
Oh, why? I thought you have visited all those places. No, not yet. I can't afford. I love travel, but can't afford. Nice to meet you with a Filipino girl. Nice to meet you, Gusto, David Rodrigo. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Oh, I forgot to ask your nickname. She. My nickname is She. Call me She. She. No R. Sure. Just She. Who give you? Who give you the name? My parents, of course. Hi, Sophia Grace. Nice name. Call me Cheryl.
Terminating depression and turns into psychosis. Walang connection sa realidad. But you come back for me.
Oh, I call you David.
It's okay to
David, who give your name?
5 p.m. Life in Vietnamese. Galing ng mahirap ang kanyang sagda sa laban. Hindi pwede makapasok sa grupo natin. Sa bawat araw, hindi mo pinapasok. Napapasok.
What it means, Ralph? Hi, Ralph.
Wala kang karapatang kontrolin kung ano ang dapat at hindi ko dapat alaman. Ito na ang sagot sa problema mo.
Do you know how to speak Hindi? No, I don't know how to speak Hindi. So, Gary. Sorry.
Ginawa ko nung nagdagla at maisip
His name is pronounced like my employee named David. Oh, yeah. David.
save the date. Magpapasok na tayo.
So, you are doing job or studying? I'm job. I'm working. I'm 40 years old. 40. Oh, really? Yes. And you? Are you working or still studying? Ralph English, I said.
Prepare you to 100% before damage from first wash. New Pantene Bond Repair Treatments.
Good day for a date. Bad day for a date. Makadandruff yan. Mag Head and Shoulders every day. Prevent dandruff and fatigue from coming back. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
But you don't look like 40. Seriously, first I thought you are 17, 27 or 28. Oh, really? Thank you, David.
Get that Mac energy.
I have my own business, sir. Oh, wow. What is your business, Sir David?
Ako, I choose to be strong. Kaya ang ganas ko,
That's great.
Street Adult Boost.
How old are you?
Active Try Boost. Good sa energy.
Automobile Service Center. Oh, okay, that's great. That's great, David.
Yan ang maaskan sa
Good job.
Street Adult Boost. I-boost ang ating bakas.
Dahil pagsubok, kailangan ka naman
Ha?
kasama sa buhay. May powers ka.
Me, currently 32. Oh, still young.
Para makalaban din tayo ng batas.
Still young, David.
Dad Connectition Special with Ladies' Choice. The #1 Neo with best quality ingredients. 100% farm fresh eggs.
Wow!
Ladies' Choice.
kamay ni Mami. Pagkahapos, umubuto ko ang pugo at sipon ko.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Big Rock with ventilated layers that relieve comfortable and you can persuade it with its body independent, ice-hydrated blood fixing property.
Ang sabi ko, hindi lang pagpag-isip. All in one.
We're young, after 30, all are found to be old. Yes, that's true. Hi guys! Thank you for joining here again. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, guys. How about you?
May bago pa dyan. I'm expert food liquid. 20 times na gustinis, nakita-kita.
Which language do you speak? Tagalog and English. I speak.
Kahit nagpas ka na sa kaligtaan, marami ka pang gusto gawin sa buhay. Pero,
Actually, I scroll YouTube and I see you. You are connected with everyone, talking nicely. That's sweet. I appreciate. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. I appreciate you joining my live stream here on YouTube. Thank you for passing by, dropping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Shucks, sinig ang request.
How is your weather there in Philippines? Weather here, warm weather here. Sunny and then suddenly raining.
Sa dami ng opinions, kailangan maging mabusisi. Magtiwala sa Wilkins.
Weather here now, warm
Most
weather.
trusted by doctors among stations.
There? How about the weather there? Having a snow? We never experience snow here in the Philippines. Cold weather there in Spain. We have fine moderate weather. Okay. Yes.
Your playground? Now online. FPP has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay-for-fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. Bet88.ph.
Magdilag na after bakuna, meron ka agad. Pero hindi pa siya kumakain.
Good morning. Hi, Junior Gasa. See you again. How about you? How are you, Junior Garza? Okay, don't worry. I subscribe to your channel now. Thank you, Sir David. Thank you. Thank you for the subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Junior Gasa. Good. Thank you, Junior Gasa. Did you have breakfast? Evening here. Dinner here. No breakfast. Oh, don't call me sir. I'm not your teacher. When you call me sir, I feel like a boss. Okay, thank you, David. Thank you, David. Just call me David only. Thank you so much, David. Junior, don't start or no more Junior. Okay, David. Thank you. Thank you, David.
Thomas Bay, hindi ka mapipigil. With Bet88, hindi ka mapipigil sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out.
Here we're calling Sarah here. We call it respect. It's respect for calling share here. Team Harley, where are you from, bro? Team is from USA, Texas, USA. Okay. Are you married, David? Are you married? Having a kid? No, not yet. Why? Where is your Why? Busy for your business? David, and you, where you from? Jerry Olandag. Hello po. Hi, Jerry. Riris. Good evening, Riris. What are you eating this dragon seed? Now I focus my business. Wow. Good job, David. Spend, bro. Okay, post please. And hindi ako marunong mag-post. Alright, step click na. Ano ba yan? Panghampas lupang post. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ako marunong talaga. Hi na lang kasi. Hi, love din gasita. Ano ba yan? Yeah, may baby pa daw. What about you? Love language. Spill. Ano? Ayoko nga. You single or mingle already? Both. So pretty. I love you. Ano? Hi na lang. Hi na lang. Love you. Love them. Really both? What both? No, I'm not single. I'm playing, you know. I'm playing. Oh my god. David is she's taken. Yes, I'm taken. I'm taken by Tim. Yes. You know what, David? So many beautiful women, pretty people there in Spain. So many pretty. Okay, congrats both of you. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. Thank you so much. Like 3. Thank you for the thumbs up. Stand. Why I need to stand? I know I'm 16. No need to. Ano ba yan? Demand din naman tong nanonood sa akin. Listen first. Mother Queen. The loser queen. Tim, how old are you, bro? Oh my god! So
Bye.
no, we need to talk a little.
Bye.
Wait. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Give mo to doon. Papalit.
Pinatagsa ko yung tita.
Ito daw. Salamat, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you, tita.
Salamat. I love you. Information. Tim, he's 57 years old. Okay. Thank you, you're gorgeous. Very nice. Sheryl, stop. Why? I will stop. It's fine. Oh my God. The guyabano.
At saka may mga
Yummy.
sinabutin yung pagmamahal sa magulang, kagandang loob sa kapwa.
Cheryl. What? I don't give out personal info about me, Nano. Okay. Wait, guys. The miracle fruit. Gabano. Wait lang. Wait, guys.
Saan pa tayo pumunta? Wala na kayo bang kailangan? Wala. Pat lang. Oo, pat lang. Holiday! Lagay ka muna ng towel, di ba? Kay Matmat. Wala ka yung panganay mo sa oras. Tapos iniwanan ka niya ng napakalang responsibilidad. Hirap talaga bigyan ng hustisya ng nanay mo. Si Manong Matmat lang yung nag-iisang witness kung sino pumatay sa kanya. Mahirap po na eh.
Oh my God. Ikot. Or you got to mine. What? To time. Suplado naman to si Tip.
Ito lang ako, Manong.
Suplado, you are too good. Thank you. Nawala na si ano.
Mag-joy with X-Power. Sa mata, relax ka sa matinding seto.
Super joy.
Sa mata, super visa.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene. Ang batang ko, may gagaling pa sa tulong ng new laptop 3 Plus. May dagdag DJ, tulong para
Game.
Kulang sukli.
Galing-galing.
Ang Viva Plus sa tulong ng laptop 3 Plus. For excellence, it's Dr. Lee. Excellent. Magabas ng left bago kumapit sa lungs. Ang excellent sa cover flag, expel. Excellent pag-expel.
Kumontok. I don't know what. Pwede mo regards. Kumusta? Jerry Olandag.
All new Jollibee Burger Steak.
Oh my.
Bigger patty na. More sauce pa. Sarap. Kasi ayaw namin matitigil ka.
Our gentlest care for your everyday freshness. PH Care. Our best ever idol hot dog. So juicy, so sweet. Radio. Allergy. Pag Cetirizine ang reseta, Allergen. No more. Most premium prescribed Cetirizine. Fast acting, only ginhawa. Sa allergy ng kit, number 1 Cetirizine Allergen.
Lang yan. Masabihan mo po. These might be warning signs that refer to the DNA networks. Drug and liquid 5X. Clinically proven to help straighten bones, joints, and muscles. Make a difference in just 4 weeks.
Ah, ito It is not funny when people know your chicken will disappear.
Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng kahon.
It's fine.
Talaga nag-inis. Pero si Tay, nagpas ang linis. Tay, nagpas linis. Kaya truba mo. March 345.
Maybe he have a business, right? Busy.
Anay, mapakaling Palex mo. Buong Pilipinas ay pa-excited kapag may umaasa sa'yo. Sa nanay, usok na diyan sa tulong ng Parex Vitamin B1, B6, B12. Parex King. Ang dami kinibig na! Liquid seasoning.
Germs everywhere. Not to my kid. But you safeguard pure white. Showing turn 24 hours. Protection 24 hours. Para sa pamilya. Safeguard. Pwede makipag-kaibigan. Others are exposed to 200 viruses. By protected while making friends, I only choose Nido 3 Plus. With up to 1 billion probiotics. Respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus.
Tutog na.
Your active health. At pagsubok, kailangan lang naman, ha? Kasama sa buhay. May powers ka. Para makalaban din tayo ng startups.
Mag-ibigay sa kantang kasano pa. Bigger! Busog na, sarami na spa. Ang mo ay takot sarap. Busog na, sarami na spa. Mag-ibigay sa kantang kasano pa.
Hindi ko lang haba. Ang kanya na pala. Nagpapapala.
Cherry Fruit ang tagsagan everyday. 667 nutrients at essential vitamins. Cherry Fruit ang tagsagan. Para pala. Cherry Fruit
Basta gardenia, masustansya. Si Bunso, masigla, malakas. Masigla na sa ko.
ang gardenia, mas ma-vitamins, mas ma-minerals, mas masustansya.
Tapos, babe, hindi ka mabibigyan. With Band 88, hindi ka mabibigyan sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cashes at out ng manalo mo. Ibang swerte mo. Bet88.ph.
Mula ngayon, with Aji Kinsa, kids will say,
I love that.
kaya mag-Aji Kinsa para more pipi, more kisa. I love the delicious. Pag-dilagnat after bakuna, tayo ka agad. Pero di pa siya kumakain. Pwede bigyan ng tebra kahit wala pang kain. Plastic, no shake, matain sa tummy. Ang galing ng tebra. Naplagot ka? Naku, may lagnat ka. Tebra agad. Ang tebra, pwede sa walang laman ng tiyan. Plastic, no shake, matain sa tummy. Ang galing ng tebra.
Ogre. Baser. Tiger. Johnny, how come? Hi, Johnny. How are you, Johnny? How come? How are you?
Hirap sa peka. May hirap, may ginawa. Take it easy. Sa Clement Sporting Capsule, naguldi, natubad, tumutulong para pinapit at palabasin ang problema. Ang Clement Sporting Capsule ay ginawang mag-agdalhin, madaling bitbitin. Ilawan to go. Sa bubot higa, Clement Sporting Capsule. Masalambi,
Sorry.
Clement, easy.
Oh, sorry. I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine too. Where from, Johnny? How come? Parang ay familiar your name.
Always potato fries.
I think you joined me here before.
Now online.
Familiar.
Has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast game games. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte mo. Bet88.ph.
Daddy, up here.
Hey, Ben! Sobrang sakit. Relax na.
I'm from Kentucky, USA. Hi, welcome here from Kentucky is a Donny Halcomb. How far you are Kentucky from Chicago? How far?
Dahil sa mga kwento ni FPJ at pangarap at inspirasyon na itahan natin ang isa't isa. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, sama-sama natin ibahin ang kahawan at pagdinisang The King.
SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan maaaring may masisirang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
As again, I didn't hear you. I said, how far Kentucky to Chicago? So far from Chicago to Kentucky. My cousin she live in Chicago.
Ako pala kita. Kaya pala nakita kita eh. Magaan ang loob ko sa'yo. Kahit sino sa inyo yung hiling ko manarado. Alam kong hindi yung maganda malalagyan sa hilingan. Huwag mong hawakan. Hindi kita magdugo. Hindi tayo magkamag-anak.
LU?
Pahiwag pumatay sa kapatid ko. At hindi ko kayo mapapanawan.
Thank you, Seven. People watching here. From where I live in, it's about 5 or 600 miles. Oh my god. Far siya. About 6 hours depending the part. Oh my god, it's far.
Wala na bukas ko sa politika. Binabuhay na ang buhay nila.
Far, very far.
Naiintindihan ko na.
People in Kentucky is nice there. Nice people, I think. People in Kentucky.
Tatanggap ko rin. Dahil
Yes, that's nice. Good to hear that. Thank you for 5 people here. Thank you so much.
Magkababata tayo eh. Magkaibigan tayo matalik. Dahil sa akin, lumaki na lumaki ang negosyo mo. Tinulungan kita. Tinrotektahan kita. Kaya nandiyan ko yun. Pagkatapos, pinindihan mo ako. Ano klaseng kaibigan ka? Alin ang pera ang ginamit ko para manalo ka itong weso yung pamilya mo? Wala akong utang na ako. Huwag ganun.
Hi, 10 people here. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa nanonood.
Tanggap din ang lahat, di ba? Na kami ang mananalo sa eleksyon na ito. Pero wala ang mga anak. At alam na nila kung ano mga magkanaw niyo. Kapag ako nanalo, pinapangako ko sa inyo na hindi na kayo makakabalik sa prinsipyo.
I've got several Filipino neighbors that lives here. Wow. Having a American husband, I think maybe.
Hindi naman yun. Kawa-kawa na kami na mag-iirap.
Oh wow, that's great. That's nice.
Alam mo, patunayan mo muna na kaya mo manalo. Napakataas na posisyon mo eh. Ano masakit dyan pag magpapakal?
Oo nga. Kaya mong yabang naman. Alam mo kung sino ka. Napakasigat na patunayan, di ba?
Wala ka makasali. Wala ka rin karapang na magsalita ng anak ko.
Marites, ang ingay mo. Kumainimik ka kaya.
Tama na namin yun ah.
Tama na to.
Hindi ka katanggap. Tama na.
Kaya kailangan tama na.
Nangyari ka na. Ay,
Ayoko na parang umalis na kayo ng kapatid mo sa bahay. Pinapalis ba kami? Kayo? Pinapalis sa bahay? Hindi makakapagpili mo. Hindi siya may nanay mo. Walang connection sa realidad.
Thank you for the thumbs up po.
It's okay.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Nasasayo ako. Then we have got several Filipino nurses that work in hospital here also. Ah yes, that's nice. Yes, so many Filipino guys there. Because Filipina, they said hospitable. Guys, tap your screen to get your likes. Thank you, my team. I wish Donnie when I go there, I want to work there in America. I hope. They are nice people, yes. They are nice. Are you, Donnie, you have a Filipina wife?
Always potato fries. It's cheesy to love. Right? Bagong gigising sa'yo. Bagong, yes, you're the original. Like,
Hi, Charmaine. Hi, ma'am. Musta na po ka? Okay lang. Ikaw po, kamusta na, Charmaine? Lambinicio. Charmaine Lambinicio. Kamusta po? No, I'm single. Oh, why? Why single? How old are you? Okay lang po. Mabuti naman. Ako okay lang din. Kumakain ng dragon seed. I've got one daughter. Oh, that's nice. Where's your wife?
KFC Flavor Shots Melon Bundle. 80 pesos lang. 2 to 5 p.m. Don't miss it.
Flavor shots fill up KFC. Pero kaya na, aliyaw.
Where's your wife, Donnie? I with someone, another husband. She finds someone. Hi, channel. I'm here. Gabo.
Uy! Sirahan ko na sa luwas. Eh, may ka-share ako si Digo. Share ko ha.
Opo. She works for a healthcare system. Okay. So you still together. Donnie. Hi, channel. Hi, hello.
Yes, sir. Mayaman ka.
Hi, channel. Ulit-ulit eh. How are you, channel? No, that's my daughter. Ah, okay. No, that's my daughter that works in healthcare in Louisville, Kentucky. Ah, okay. How old are you, Sir Donnie? That's nice. Thank you, 11 people watching and 6 times like. Thank you, guys. I used to live in Louisville. Huh? You're 38? Oh my god, you're still young. And you're too young. Why your daughter working? How old your daughter? Oh my god. How old? Oh my god. I can't imagine. Good evening, beautiful. Hi, Edgar Galby. How are you, Edgar? Channel. Hello, channel. See something, channel. I don't understand Chinese. Thank you. Okay, I'm okay, beautiful. Let's go. Taga saan? Tatanungin nga sana kita kung taga saan ka eh. Ikaw taga saan ka, Edgar? What I can hear my volume is 0%. Bakit? Ah, Bohol. Ako, Bicol.
Ingat sa dehydration. Vivaline is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivaline.
Thank you for the 20 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 7 times sec, guys. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. Ang ingay sa labas. My goodness. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ano ang kinakain mo? Dragon seed. The dragon seed. Edgar said, he asking what I'm eating. I said, I eat dragon seed. It's okay, it's fine. He's fine. He's good. Don't worry. Are you single? Me, I'm not single. I'm getting married soon. I'm 40 years old, so I need husband. I need to be married. Someone I love, Charlie. There's an animal called liger. It's an animal mixed with a tiger and a lion. Okay. Wow, that's... Ano yung palahe? Pahingi naman dyan, beautiful. Malayo eh. Kunin mo. Itchayin kita. Sana all. Sana all. Iskidol. Oh, my battery is 1%. Oh my God. Maawa ka sa phone mo. Please. Oh my God, channel. Have mercy your phone. My goodness. Buy channel, charge it. Me, I'm 40 years old. Edgar. My daughter has several Philippine friends. Wow, that's great. Tony.
Ano? Hindi na kayo nagbago? Bakit hindi niyo patapusin ito? Magpapakaya na kayo!
No, my phone. Thank you for the 14 people here. Hi, Rodrod. May anak na po. Isa. Yes, I have one son. Oh my God! Sometimes in Florida. Good evening, Sheryl. Your face were nice. Kaya. Salamat sa thumbsag. Thank you 14 people here. Thank you po. Grabe naman sa your face girl. You're married. Not yet. Not yet married, but I'm married soon. I'm getting married soon. Thank you, 19 people. Blooming ka, beautiful. Thank you, Gar. Jean, Gerald, Stella, hi. Oh my God, Tim. Your sweet name, please. My name is Sheryl. I haven't really busy, but I always try to give a like when I see you. Thank you. Thank you sometimes in Florida. My country name is Philippines. Where are you from, Rodrod? said something bad before. Edgar, no, it's not something bad. You say good. Type error. He said anak, and I'm also did that typing error. He said anak, and he said I didn't say it. I see it. Hey Tim, are you keeping the chat online? No, I'm not a student. I'm 40 years old. I'm working. I look like a young? No, I'm old now. I'm getting old. I'm not young. Oh my god. I missed. Baba kong baba. Come back. Bye, mom. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Rodrod. At na-realize niya na hindi nga ako bata. Thank you for the 20 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Hit the like button, guys. Thank you, my team. You're with boyfriend. Not yet, but soon. But soon. We will together. Oh my God. Ang hirap magbigkas. Not yet together, but soon we will together. Get her 50 likes and Shiba. I can't. I can't. Your family numbers, how much? Our family size, we have a family, we have a large size family.
Kaon.
We have 9 siblings.
Bye.
We have 9 siblings. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, 16 people here. Alright. Your child's name, my son name is Gabriel. Gab. ba yan? Okay, sorry. I'm back. Sorry, team. I'm back, Junior Garza. Hi. Your country with rain? Not raining now. The weather here now is warm weather here now. Teko. You sleeping coming, yeah. Yeah. Where are you from, Rodrod? Where are you from? What is your country? No. Wait.
Paano yan? Makunik ka.
Hindi na. Ano yun? Di ko alam. Di ko alam. Di ko alam. Ako nakakanto ko nito. Paano? Malabutan ka.
Nag-game man na bigla yung nagwaro.
Ay, Angel. Nakulit na. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan. Your age, how much? 40 years old. 40. 40 years old. Ano ka kabarabbar ng drag kung saan? Bawal ka. Bawal ka doon. Age ba daw? Shut door. Shut the door. Kids with your age. Yes, school tomorrow. No, holiday tomorrow. No school. It's big time for him. No school for tomorrow. Yes, no. Okay, yes. Your job, yeah. What holiday is it? Ninoy Aquino holiday. Ninoy Aquino. One time ago, Cheryl was eaten by a tiger. Just a joke. Dragon said. Dragon said. I'm eating dragon said. That's a joke. Nice job, Chana. Because I'm eating the dragon seed, yes. Thank you, 17 people watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Berry test, yes. Yummy. Oh, wait, I'm one time ago, Cheryl was eaten by a tiger and then infused into a river and die. Another joke. What's a joke? Your time, please. My time here now, 9:08 in the evening. Hi, Mark from Australia. Hello. Mark, bro, my name is Mark, Alex. Oh, wow, that's great. Night, day, yeah. Yep, yep. Your channel, your name is Mark Alex. Alexander Mark. Bit late here, 2 hours ahead of you. Okay. Guys, thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. 8 people here. God bless. Wala na masawa. Salamat at sa nagtusok-tusok dyan. Alex. Oh, you change your name? Is that Dragon said? Channel, you change your name? Or another channel? Is that Dragon said? Yes, a Dragon said. Your channel, subscribe. Thank you, Rod. Thank you. Thank you for subscribe. If you live stream tomorrow, catch you then. Have a good night there. Take care. Thank you, Mark. I'm always doing the live here on YouTube. Morning here and night here. I do 2 times, once a day. Twice. Sorry. Twice a day. How are you, baby? From Srineva Smarty. Hi. Like, thank you, Rod, for the likes. Okay, I will keep an eye out of your live stream. Thank you, Mark. Not gonna lie, the rivers next to me is scary. They're pure pitch black in the night. Really? Good night, Rod Rod. Good night. Thank you for the thumbs up. Need place, baby. What? I'm from Philippines. Thank you, 14 people. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. What are you eating? I'm eating dragon seed. Yes. Ganun. Matulog na ako. Sa lahat, maaring iwan. Nawalay ka sa piling ko, manlaho, paano na kaya itong mundo? Hey, baby. What? What place, baby? I got a joke one day. Sheryl was going up a mountain. After he reached the top, a dragonfly bit him and eat him. Nice joke, Alex. Hmm. Ay, maglaho, paano na kaya itong mundo? Sa oras di ka makita, buti nakakalayo na. that's my face if I'm reading a story. Okay. Yeah, the scenario of the story. The buod. Hi, Sir Chester Hexam. Good evening, beautiful Cheryl. Good evening, Sir Chester. The dead guy of the sewer color. Oh, so loud outside. The kid. Hmm? You have many channel, Alex. The dead guy of the sewer color. How? Manuel. Hi, Manuel. Thank you for the 18 times 6, guys. Thank you for the 18 people watching and the 18 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Diba ang bado mo? Nan, magbuklad na doon. Rodrigo. How are you? You tired? How's your work? Gab. Uy, ano mo na eh? Dadaan mo na pala yun. Lagi naman kabado mo kay ma.
Labas ko na.
Thank you, Rodrigo. Hello, team. Hello, team. Hello, my friend. Oh my God, God. Hi, Gabriel. Ingay yata, Gab. Sabi ko maglimang bado. Gab. Halika doon na, Gab. Oh my God. Thank you for the 25 people. Hi, 25 people here. Dapat charam taram. Di ko inakala doon pala nagsimula. Love story hindi inas. The bears. Meet my bear. See my bear. O Gabriel, mami. Magdiba na. English, my friend. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you. Meet my bear. Lucky bear. The lucky bear. The lucky bear. My bear. Hi, Zion Hawks. Oh God, why God? Why are you calling God? I've fallen for you. Nasarado mo na dito, Gab. Lock mo na dito. Lock mo na, promise.
I-join ka na, mamay.
Hindi, doon sa balay. Adi diyo sa pinto ta. Oh, sin. Ay, sin. I'm a bear. I'm another bear. Just do. Chururut. Di ko inakala doon pala nagsimula. Storying hindi inaasahan. Tungtuwa si Rodrigo. Ang kulit na. Oh, bye. Really lang ko. Mas maganda siya, Gab. Kaya ada ka dun sa sikihan ko. Isarado mo na dun sa pinto, ta? Promise? I am at work, very cold. Oh, you're at work there. Oh my God. Take care. Team. Not team. Rodrigo. Oh my God. Go. Ngayon, Gab. Gabriel. Iyayat na. Sus talaga. Dali mo na ayos. Malibang ka dire. Sabi mo, in-lock mo na. Ice. See you later. Stop eating in bed. Oh, no, we're not eating in bed. Not eating. See you later. See you later, Vigo. God bless. Take care. Are you working now? Are you at work? Oh my God. Parang pagod na pagod ako. Lakad. Biting. Biting from Rodrigo. Okay. 15 people watching here. Thank you. Guys, stop stalking. Talk all of ang kulit mo. Thank you for 21. 16 people here. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow again. Oh my God. Bye. Oh my God. Oh, wait. Huh? Oh my God. Wait.